Her son was targeted in a drive-by shooting. Not real bullets, it was a toy gun, but mom says it still hurt her child, and now he's too frightened to ride his bike on the street. It happened along Southwest 26th Terrace in the Cape. NBC2's Jennifer Vagles talked to parents who want the shooters caught.
Jenny Buffalino and her family moved to Southwest Cape Coral last fall from Long Island, New York.
We would like to think the whole point of us moving here and, we're in paradise.
Her 12-year-old son's favorite way to take advantage of it, going for a bike ride up and down Southwest 26th Terrace. That was until Saturday afternoon, when he pedaled off and rushed back inside, panicked.
He said, I just got shot with something, and a car drove by with a couple of teenagers in it.
Telling her it was 4 people inside the blue Nissan, and at least one fired something at him multiple times.
He had a mark, almost like a paintball mark, but a little lighter.
Now, what happened to Buffalino's son sounds very similar to a new challenge that's gaining traction on TikTok, using these Orbeez. They look like wet, slimy marbles, but Orbeez are gel-based balls used to improve sensory and motor skills for kids. Instead, teens and adults made them the stars of the hashtag OrbeezGun trend on TikTok. Many using Orbeez as ammo for a toy gun.
Just really grow up, knock it off.
Cape Coral police say something like this could be grounds for an arrest for battery. In Cape Coral, Jennifer Vagles, NBC2.